Love Island narrator Iain Stirling has admitted what is the most annoying bit about himself, and it will be a surprise for those who watch the ITV2 dating show. The 34-year-old comedian may be a familiar voice to Love Island viewers, but it is that voice that he claims is something that annoys him most about himself. Speaking to comedian Sean Walsh and Paul McCaffrey on their podcast, What's Upset You Now?, Iain said that he hates the sound of his voice, which he uses every day to relay the latest dramas from the Love Island villa. On the podcast, Iain spoke about some of the things that annoy him in life, when the focus turned to loud people. Iain admitted, "I don't actually mind loud people." Sean asked Iain, "Would you say that you're loud? Are you loud?" "I think you're loud. You're not irritatingly loud, but you are loud," Iain replied. "Am I? I suppose my voice carries actually. The thing I hate about myself is that my voice has that frequency or something, but yet it carries. You know I'm coming, which I hate about myself. I actually hate that about myself." The Scottish comedian then turned his attention to the hotel where he is staying while working on Love Island. He took a sharp dig at some that are staying at the same establishment. Iain said, "I'm in a hotel at the moment because I am working out in Spain, and the stuff that people get wound up about at the hotel is unbelievable. The other day, a guy sits down on his first day at the hotel, a woman comes over to take his room number, obviously to see whether or not his breakfast is paid, and he's like, 'Huh? Why are you asking this today?' Iain joked, 'Because you're in a hotel. Also, you've been given your room number. Remember the room number you were told an hour ago. Say it out loud and then go and get your free bacon.' What is the problem with these people? Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033. Read more. Love Island 2022. Love Island 2022 final date confirmed. Couples torn apart after brutal dumping shows most complained about moments. Luca explodes over Gemma and Billy.